Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am back with another Draw This in Your Style challenge that I am participating on Instagram. For the full process, please watch the full video that how to color it. And if you want, you can also visit my Instagram for more art. So let's watch my video. Draw This in Your Style challenge is one person draw something or illustrate draw something, and they ask for another person, like not another person, they just post it like we draw this in your style challenge, and they say that draw this in your style, and you can use any kind of medium. You can change the pose, face, hair, anything you do it with your style, and that's it. This is what draw this in your style is, and then upload it on the Instagram and tag that person who did the draw this in your style challenge, and tag that person, and that person will give you a shout out if he or she wants. Draw this Participating draw this universal challenge is really amazing because it gives you another world to create, and it's amazing. You can try different things, you can try something that you have never tried. This is what it's about. So if you want, you can try this. If you have Instagram, then just search draw this in yourself challenge hashtag. You will find so many work on Instagram that you can participate, but some artworks has deadline and some hasn't, some has not. So if it has a deadline and you can work on it, so go for it. You can please skip that, and then draw something that you can draw. You don't need to participate every draw this in your style challenge. That is totally your decision in which competition you wanna participate. Here I'm doing draw this in a style challenge of Lord Greece, like Greed. He or she, like she did start the draw this competition, and she said that to draw this in your style, and I did draw this in this style. If you want to see which was her picture, her artwork, please visit my Instagram, because I have already uploaded a pic of Lord Greece or Lord Grieve. The account name is Lord Grace and or Lord Grieve. That the person's draw challenge I am participating. I hope you will enjoy my video. Hope you will learn something from it. Here I am using a gel ball pen to outline my painting. It will look good. It will give the sharp edges to my painting and it looks good. That's why I am using it. Then I am using corrector. That's it. And yes, don't forget to signature your name. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.